WordPress is a popular content management system, CMS, that allows users to create and manage websites easily. It is an open-source platform, meaning it is free to use and developers can modify and enhance its functionality through plugins and themes. WordPress powers over 40% of websites on the internet, making it one of the most widely used CMS platforms. Understanding accessibility. Accessibility refers to designing and developing websites that can be used by people with disabilities or special needs. This includes users with visual, auditory, physical, or cognitive impairments. Ensuring accessibility makes your website more user-friendly for everyone and helps you reach a broader audience. Installing and activating an accessibility plugin. WordPress offers several accessibility plugins that can help improve your website's accessibility. Some popular options include WP Accessibility. This plugin helps you identify and fix accessibility issues on your website. Accessibility Checker. This plugin performs an accessibility audit on your website and suggests improvements. UserWay. This plugin offers an accessibility widget with features like text-to-speech, screen reader support, and keyboard navigation. Ensuring proper color contrast. Color contrast is crucial for users with visual impairments. Ensure that your website's text and background colors have sufficient contrast. You can use online tools like the WebAIM Color Contrast Checker to verify your color combinations meet accessibility standards. Using Semantic HTML. Semantic HTML helps screen readers and other assistive technologies understand the structure and content of your website. Use proper heading tags, H1, H2, H3, etc., and descriptive alt attributes for images. Providing alternative text for images. Alt text provides a description of images for users who cannot see them. Ensure that all images on your website have appropriate and descriptive alt attributes. Ensuring keyboard navigation. Many users with disabilities rely on keyboard navigation instead of a mouse. Test your website's functionality using only the keyboard to ensure all interactive elements can be accessed and used with keyboard navigation. Providing transcripts and captions for media. For users who are deaf or hard of hearing, it's essential to provide transcripts or captions for audio and video content. This ensures they can understand the information being presented. Ensuring proper form labels and instructions. Clearly label and provide instructions for all form fields on your website. This helps users understand what information is expected and how to fill out the form correctly. Testing your website's accessibility. Use accessibility testing tools like the Wave Web Accessibility Evaluation Tool or the Axe Dev Tools to identify and fix accessibility issues on your website. Additionally, consider user testing with individuals who have disabilities to gather feedback and improve your website's accessibility. Keeping up with accessibility updates. Stay informed about accessibility updates and guidelines. Accessibility standards and guidelines are constantly evolving. To ensure your website remains accessible, stay updated on the latest accessibility news, guidelines, and best practices. Some resources to follow include Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, developed by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C. WCAG provides a globally recognized set of guidelines for making web content more accessible. The Accessibility Guidelines Working Group, AWG. This group is responsible for updating and maintaining WCAG. WebAIM, a community-focused organization providing resources, research, and training related to web accessibility. The A11Y Project, a community-driven initiative to promote accessibility through resources, tools, and education. By staying informed about accessibility updates and guidelines, you can make sure your website remains accessible and inclusive for all users.